Hindi ya kigomano kiria kirathie na mbere cikaro-ini nene cia ngwataniro ya Afrika ya AU, Mutumia mutongoria wa bururi Margaret Kenyatta ni akinyiriirie wirutiri wake hari gutigirira maria maturigiciirie ni marumbuyanio namo.
Environmental pollution places a disproportionate burden on women and children, particularly on the poor and vulnerable communities. To this end, I make a personal pledge to add my voice to a total ban on the use of plastics.
Kuona thina wa uhuthiri wa maratathi ma minyore ukoretwo ukihutia mabururi mothe, ihoya ni riikitio ria gutigirira njira ingi cia kuoha indo ni ciaiyukio handu ha maratathi maya.
I will continue to support local communities, especially women and children, in advancing their conservation programs, including recycling waste, tree planting, and production of biodegradable bags.
Bururi wa Kenya uri umwe wa mabururi maria matongoretie hari gwikirira mukaana uhuthiri wa maratathi maya. Kenyatta akauga ni kuonekete umithio munene na korwo honge ciothe cia thirikari cia nyitanira hari gukinyaniria undu uyu nginyagia mikarire ya andu na ugima wao wa mwiri no wagirira makiria.
We have led in this effort by banning plastics in carrier bags with effect from August 2017. This has placed legal guidelines and stiff penalties if the law is contravened.
Kwa ihinda riri Margaret Kenyatta ni acaguritwo kamiti-ini ya andu 10 iri rathingicira maria maturigiciirie na uhuthiri wa minyore gitaru-ini kia Afrika. Guku ningi agicagurwo ta munini wa muikariri giti kamiti-ini ya kuhurana na utheremu wa murimu wa mukingo. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mbaru wa Mwangi.